Hello Eric DIY viewers! Today we're reviewing the Beyle Business Laptop Backpack. In another video review I reviewed the anti-theft backpack from Beyle, and I was actually looking at this one too, so I decided, hey, let's try it out. I've been using the anti-theft backpack for a while now, and it's been doing great. However, this one seems to have a little bit more extra room. Just like the other backpack, if you open up the back here, has a padded cushioning for your laptop, and it is attached by this Velcro strap. Looks like it can hold up to 17-inch laptops. It also has a pocket for a tablet at the same time, so you could have both of those. If we turn the inside here, it has inside pockets for calculators, pens, pencils, stuff like that. And that's just the back pocket. If we go to the front pocket, it has even more space. It has a nice big zipper compartment, and it goes way down to the bottom of the bag, so you can hold lots of stuff there. It also has this big compartment right here where you can put even more stuff. You could probably put a netbook if you wanted. I mean, you can make this totally a tech backpack. It has two big pockets again where you can put a calculator or pens, pencils. And on the inside part of the laptop bag, the business bag, it has places definitely for pens and pencils and small things, and it's very, very well padded right here. On the front side of the bag, it even has another compartment. It's a nice zippered compartment, and that'd probably be your quick and easy access part of the bag. Put your keys there, something like that, and it holds about a hand's worth of materials in there. We're still not done with pockets. So on the back, there's even a security pocket right here. Holds about a hand's width full of stuff on the back of the bag. Just an awesome feature in case you want to hide some stuff and not have it stolen. Passports, license, your wallet even. You can put your whole wallet in there if you wanted to. And then finally, we have two pockets on either side that can hold like a small water bottle or a cell phone, whatever you need for, again, easy access. This bag seems to be all about easy access. The other thing is that this bag also includes USB charging. If you look on the inside, what this is there's a zippered compartment right here, and it does not come with a power pack, but if you have a USB power pack, you can hook it up to this, and then you can forever just charge your device out of the side of the bag. This cable, again, does pop out of the bag, so you can always replace it if something happens to it. It's just a male to female regular USB cable, and it just goes right into this nice little molded side. You just snap it in, and much like the anti-theft bag, which I'm already using by Beyle, you can look for the review for that and a link below in the description, but this seems to be like a really nice bag which has a lot more compartments on it for those of you that need more compartments. But you could fit a USB power pack in the bag, probably hang right here in this pocket, and have that cable go to it, and you could charge on the fly. It also has, if you're still using wired headphones, in the same little zippered compartment, it has a nice place where you can wire your stereo headphones in and connect them to a MP3 player or even a cell phone that again can fit in one of these pockets. So everything is very well designed. And Zach is currently with the Beyle anti-theft bag, which again I reviewed in another video. So if you want to see that review, please look for a link in the description below. But that is an excellent bag. I pulled all the materials I use in the backpack for my work. I'm a music teacher and I go in between schools every day. And I'm hoping that after I pack this backpack, it's gonna feel like it has just a little bit of extra room, which it looks like it will have. So we're gonna pack it all up, and it holds everything that the anti-theft backpack held, and it even can hold a little bit more. The other thing I wanna show you is that these are metal zippers. They're not cheap plastic ones that are gonna break. I did not use the front pocket at all, nor did I use the back security pocket. I have a USB power pack put in this pocket right over here in the back, so I can power up devices when I want. This holds all those books that I had right here. And in the second compartment, it holds my 15-inch laptop very well, and the power supply. But also, if you look at this from an angle, when you close this up, you still have room on top of here. So seeing that this is a little bunched up back there, I'm going to put the power supply in there, and that will make it have more space within the backpack, and it zippers up just fine. It still has some pockets I haven't even used on the backpack. So that seems great. Backpack feels great against my back, even though it's really, really full. These straps are fully adjustable so that you can get the right amount of balance that you need. In the front here, we have a little elastic thing so you can put your cell phone in there or any other important things. You can hang off even an action camera if you want, like the SJ Cam SJ7 Star, which we're using right now. That is our review of the Beyle Business Laptop Backpack. Please look for a link to buy it in the description below. We'll send you to Amazon where you can purchase your very own. You'll be supporting the Eric DIY channel at the same time. We appreciate all your support. If you like this video and others like it, we do tons of reviews on this channel. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Have a great day. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.